Why are my tomatoes misshapen and cracking? And this is Joan from Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, yeah, one of your local viewers.
That's right.
Well, there's probably several environmental conditions that could come into
Environmental,
play
right.
there.
Okay.
Yeah. So misshapen, when I hear that, I think cat facing.
Okay.
And those are when we'll see some kind of seams on the bottoms of the fruit, and so that can be cold temperatures when bloom occurred, and that was actually the first thing I thought about that question. Now the cracking could be from moisture differentials.
Yes.
And of course, we expect those, but we've definitely had some of those too.
We definitely had that. So the cold temperatures we've had here in Memphis, Tennessee, and of course, the moisture, right?
Yeah, it's already
We've had
been
a lot
strange.
of it, and then of course, it goes back dry again. So yeah. So I think that's the cause of the problem, environmental.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.